So children, we finished. We finished our last class when we discussed that the emperor wrote letters to all kings to be united and fight against the mighty British. And this small step gave big results to many revolt. So we were discussing about the big revolt, and they thought, and the Britishers, the East India Company, they thought that if Mughal emperor began to gain their power, then they could rule their kingdom freely. So we discussed about the last Mughal emperor, the Bahadur Shah Zafar. Now today we'll continue further that the rebellion spreads. The rebellion, it began to spread in northern and central India. Many army troops, they started mutinying, that is attacking in various regiments. Local leaders, they began to protest with help of peasants. Then Nana Sahib, he proclaimed himself as Peshwa and a governor under the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. He gathered armed forces and he attacked on British in Kanpur. Rani Lakshmibai attacked on British in Jhansi with the help of Tatya Tope, the minister under Peshwa Nana Sahib. The British were defeated in many battles. The Britishers finally lost their power that they have. All the kingdoms began to be free from British rule. Their soldiers and big officers were even killed. And company fights back. So the company was defeated, but finally it first started fighting back. And the company bought army from England to fight against the British forces. New laws were passed to control the revolt. The British army went to major centers of revolt like Delhi, Kanpur, Jhansi, etc. Delhi was recaptured from the rebel forces on September 1857. Here children, as you can see, it's a picture in which the Britishers have destroyed the Kashmiri Gate to enter and capture Delhi from the rebel forces. So here you see the Britishers, they have destroyed the Kashmiri Gate which is in Delhi to capture Delhi. Then last Mughal emperor arrested. So as I have told you previously also, Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was the last Mughal emperor. So he was finally arrested by the Britishers. He was tried in court and sentenced to life imprisonment. He and his wife Begum Zinat Mahal, he was sent to Rangoon jail in October 1858, which is just 1 year after the revolt of 1857. His sons, they were shot cold-blooded in front of his eyes by Captain Hudson. He died in Rangoon jail in November 1962. So this is a picture of the Rangoon jail when he was forced and he was sent to Rangoon jail. Now, biggest battle of 19th century. Historians said that it was the biggest battle of 19th century. And children, it took almost 2 years for East India Company to control the whole situation. Lucknow was captured in 1858. Rani Lakshmibai too was killed in June 1858 and Jhansi was annexed, which means that it came under the Britishers. Tatya Tope escaped to jungles of central India. He fought guerrilla war, which means forest war, with help of tribals and local chiefs. Then finally, he too was caught, tried and killed in April 1859. Here are some important places of 1857 revolt. The major places like Old Delhi, Bareilly, Faizabad, Jhansi, Kanpur, Lucknow and Meerut. These were the major places where a revolt of 1857 took place. That's all for today, children. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. If not, go through the chapter once and twice and listen to the first part of the video and try to understand it and mark all the important points and especially study the map work also. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.